Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And you're watching our Advent calendar opening.
Yay!
Day
20.
Alright, coming in, final stretch here. Alright, let's see if I can find 20. Ah, there it is.
Found it first.
I actually think it's getting harder, even though there's openings, but it's like they're hiding.
It's getting less.
Ooh! Mm-mm-mm. It's a snowman.
It's blue.
It's a blue. Oh. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Little snowman. That is going to be so cute. I'm going to put it over here. There. I'm going to put that with mine. It's over here with mine. Hi, Shelby.
I'm not deaf.
I know. That's my girl. Well, that was exciting and, thrill a minute. Well, but I am kind of getting excited. Like I said, I've always wanted a charm bracelet, and yay, I'm going to get one. But, hope you've been enjoying our, countdown to Christmas. Please consider subscribing, liking. There is a contest going on. And I think we're like 35 subscribers away. So be sure to check that out and consider entering. But share, like, subscribe, comment. What do you think we're going to get? We got a charm today. What do you think we're going to get tomorrow?
A spacer.
Shelby says a spacer. What do you guys think? I think I'm in agreement with her. So, let's, I guess we'll find out tomorrow.
Well,
Is there anything you want to say?
no.
Nothing at all?
Could be sure to come back.
That's my girl. Don't forget to come back. We'll see you next time. And where?
I'm CrazyDavesCrew.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.